So I figured out the LinkedIn algorithm and it is loving my videos. I'm talking about 250,000, 500,000, a million, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million post impressions on a single video. So in this video, I am sharing with you my process in terms of what I keep in mind when I'm creating videos for LinkedIn. You definitely want to stick around because the last strategy is an unconventional one that truly makes the difference when posting video content on LinkedIn. So let's get right into it. So LinkedIn is definitely pushing video at this time. If you're on the platform, you can see that on the app, they've added a video button where you have that same kind of scroll feel like TikTok or Instagram. On the website, they also have a section dedicated to videos. So yes, at this time, they are pushing videos on the platform. The thing I do want you to know is that I've been creating videos on LinkedIn since 2021. The strategies I'm going to be sharing with you are strategies that I've learned over the years. And so this is not a fluke of, okay, LinkedIn is pushing videos and that's why my videos are doing good. I have right here a video from 6 months ago that hit over 300,000 impressions, and that had nothing to do with the current setting that we're in for LinkedIn videos. So first thing to keep in mind when I'm creating videos on LinkedIn is that I focus on creating videos specifically for that platform. I am not necessarily creating a video for Instagram or for TikTok and then just posting it on LinkedIn. I create a video specifically for my audience on LinkedIn. I have over the years learned about my audience. I know what kind of content they're looking for and how to align it with the kind of topics that I talk about. I typically talk about introversion. I talk about leadership, career, personal branding. And so it is important for you to have a good understanding of who your audience is and to target your video or content towards that audience. If for whatever reason I am repurposing content, which sometimes does happen, let's say for example, from a YouTube video, I will take clips that I sometimes will repost on LinkedIn. If I'm doing something like that, what I always keep in mind is that the video needs to start with a strong hook. So there needs to be an explanation of what the video is about. It can't be just in the middle of a sentence. There is a need for the video to explain where is the conversation going. So a strong hook at the beginning. If the video doesn't have one, what I sometimes do is record a separate video that I use as an introduction to that repurposed content. Second thing about the videos that I make for LinkedIn is that they're about 60 to 90 seconds. So I keep them short enough that people are able to get value out of them. They're able to get 1 or 2 actionable insights from the video that they can actually apply, but then not too long that they feel like the video is just dragging, because at the end of the day, these are short form videos and people are typically coming just to get an insight here and there. So I make it short enough for them to get the topic, get value, but then not too long where they feel like it's dragging. So my videos for LinkedIn are typically 60 seconds to 90 seconds. Third thing I do when I'm creating video content for LinkedIn is that I typically do a talking head video or voiceover. So a video like this one where I am explaining something but recorded vertically. Those are the types of videos that I typically make for LinkedIn. Or if it is more of a, let's say, a behind the scenes kind of video, like I did a video recently, or not that recent, but a few months ago, saying, okay, I became a LinkedIn top voice. And in that video, I was showing like different scenes, but then I was speaking. I was doing a voiceover while you saw the different scenes. So a video like that typically does well on LinkedIn. The talking head videos also do very well. What doesn't do as well is a video that just has a quote, for example. Those can do very well on Instagram, but they don't do very well on LinkedIn. So the thing to always keep in mind is providing value. And what a video enables you to do is to make that personal connection with the person. It's not like Instagram where you're just trying to get the algorithm to know that you're making a reel, so people are doing 1-second reels just for the sake of a video. It's not like that on LinkedIn, and I hope it does not get like that. But the idea is that you're truly providing value and insight to the people who are watching your videos. The next thing I do is that I write a full caption. Even though it is a video and I could just say, you know, watch the full video for details, I will still write a full caption, not replicating what I'm saying in the video, but supporting the message in the video. Some people may read the caption and then decide to watch the video. Some people will watch the video and then go to the caption. So I want those two things to complement each other. So a long enough caption that even if they read just the caption and don't watch the video, that they'll be able to get insight, or vice versa. If they watch the video, they'll have a good understanding without necessarily reading the whole caption. So that is something to still keep in mind when you're creating video content on LinkedIn. It still needs a proper caption that is well written, that provides insight as well. Okay, so I wasn't sure if I was going to share this one, but here it is. I am going to share it because I did mention at the beginning, this is an unconventional way that I typically start my videos, and it's with a smile. And it's amazing how something so small can make a difference. But typically when I'm starting the video, I try to start with a smile. And the reason for that is that it makes the video a lot more approachable. A lot of people may be watching your videos without any sound. So having captions on your videos are excellent. Now that LinkedIn has that feature, they can turn it on their own and it comes with the video. But starting off with a smile just helps, especially to have that connection, even though someone didn't hit play to actually listen to your voice and they're just reading the words, they can still see you. And so being able to make that connection with the person goes a really long way. One more thing that is quite important for your LinkedIn video strategy is having a strong LinkedIn content strategy overall. Your video is just one element of your overall strategy. So check out the video right here where I share more on how to create your LinkedIn content strategy. I'll see you there.